are many contractors and handymen who try to fix settled concrete, but how many of these service providers actually addressed why your concrete dropped in the first place? After all, concrete drops for a reason. Weak soil and inadequate initial installation are common reasons why concrete sinks. Other reasons include improper grading, poor drainage, utility line breaks, and Mother Nature. Burrowing critters such as rabbits, skunks, and chipmunks are also known contributors to settled concrete. Acme Concrete Raising and Repair's skilled technicians use our Smart Lift system to provide a sophisticated, planned approach to fixing settled concrete. Using this Smart Lift system, our concrete raising specialists will work to not only identify the problem, but provide the best possible solution to prevent the concrete from dropping again. Our company doesn't believe in just providing a temporary fix.